Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a decorative crimp edge around the edge of a pie crust. In this video I've already trimmed my pie crust to about 1/2 to 1 inch and then folded that underneath the pie crust. Then you can start crimping the edge. As you can see in the video, I take my thumb and index on my left hand and my right, and I just make a wave pattern around the whole pie crust. Once I have finished the pie crust, crimping the pie crust, I go over and fix any spots that need it. And that is one way to do a decorative crimp on a pie crust. This technique can work for a double crust pie as well. Thanks for watching.